I put too much there and it looks like, let's not talk about it.
Darcei!
Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald Haiti Beach back at it again with another video. Before we start, I want to remind you guys that we have brand new merch. So if you guys want to join the potato gang, or if you want to remind everyone that black girls can try anything, or maybe you just want to be a bald-headed bitch, make sure you visit shop.MissDarcei.com so you can pick these up and more. Link will be in the description. So I feel like I'm kind of getting known for trying Kylie cosmetics. What is this hand doing? What is that? I don't know what that is. But I've never tried Kylie Skin. And although my close personal friend Kylie Jenner did put me on her PR list, I haven't tried the Kylie Skin products because they launched last year. And the way the PR works is that they send you new things. But I really wanted to try some of the OG Kylie Skin stuff. So I just bought them myself. Look, it comes with stickers. We don't need these. So we've got the whole OG set here. It comes with the face wash, the face scrub of death, the toner, the moisturizer, the eye cream, and the vitamin C serum. 6 simple steps to amazing skin. Okay, let's try these babies. Now, Kylie actually has a whole video of her trying out this 6-step routine. So we're just gonna follow along. Let me put on my Kylie Skin headband. Wouldn't be complete without that. All right, we're strapped in. All right, I have the video pulled up here. My everyday skincare routine by Kylie Jenner.
So I'm gonna show you guys my everyday skincare routine and just talk about my products a little more. Start with my face wash, probably my favorite product in the line.
Okay, so first we're gonna use the face wash. Wait, why does my face wash look so much darker than hers? Did they change the formula? Can I use this on my face? We're gonna use it anyway.
Just makes my face feel so clean, and it also retains your natural moisture in your face. So you really only need 1 pump. Goes a long way.
She said use 1 pump. I feel like I got a lot less in my hand than she did.
So, super foamy.
Oh wow, it's getting kind of creamy. But yes, it is super foamy. And now we're just gonna start washing our face with no water. Just straight up cleanser. Did she put on water?
Amount of just foaminess and creaminess. The scent is amazing and so refreshing. And the thing about this face wash is it doesn't strip your face. Sometimes when I use other face washes, after my face will feel super dry and like it just took all the life out of my face. This almost brings your face back to life. It's a very unique face wash.
Okay, I used water because it was starting to disappear into my face. I'm sniffing it. And it really doesn't smell like anything. It seems to have minimal fragrance. Nothing to smell. All right, let's wash our face. I got a little bit in this eye. It's starting to sting. Also got it in my mouth a little bit.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna pat my face, not wipe, because I used to really dry my face really harsh. Now we're just gonna be gentle with our faces, ladies. Oh. Now I'm gonna go in with my Walnut face scrub.
Walnut face scrub. Kylie, no! Oh my god, she's using it. She's gonna die now. Rest in peace.
She passed away? Oh. All right.
Our gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator is essential for achieving a fresh face. It is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin-smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion.
So, we're gonna try this. Even though everyone told me not to, I'm gonna try the walnut scrub today. I can hear you all now. Darcei, why are you trying the walnut scrub? Your face is gonna fall off. Maybe I want my face to fall off, huh? You ever think of that? No, because you only think about yourself. Gonna scrub my face today, and nobody can stop me.
So I'm gonna wet my face a little.
So Kylie said wet your skin first. Oh my god. And then we're gonna, oh, she's thick. That's what it looks like. I can see the little walnut scrubbies, scrubbers. Rub it. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah, you definitely feel that. I feel that. Oh. Can I get more water? god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Kylie, it feels like I'm very gently rubbing sandpaper on my face. That's what this feels like. Like a very gentle sandpaper.
I'm gonna rub mainly like around my nose. I'm gonna avoid the delicate skin around my eyes. It smells really good. We actually put no fragrance in a lot of our products, so it just smells like pure, delicious walnuts.
Is this what walnuts smell like? Yeah, it kind of smells like nuts. I love the smell of nuts in the morning.
I'm gonna wash it right off.
Well, my face does feel softer, Kylie. Definitely scrub the first layer off.
2 to 3 times a week, even if you do it once a week, like after the week, to just like remove dead skin cells. It really is the secret recipe to soft, delicious skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my vanilla milk toner, which smells delicious.
Okay, so now we're moving on to toner, which apparently smells good, so I'm excited to open this. Don't let me down, Kylie.
It's very fast and easy to use toner. This really helps me remove any surviving makeup after my foaming face wash. So this really helps just ensure that my face is as clean as possible before I go to sleep. So I'm just gonna do a little dot on a cotton pad.
Oh, she uses toner as a cleanser. How uncivilized. Where are my cotton pads?
I'm taking these cotton pads from Dear Claire's and I'm just going to apply a little bit of the toner.
You're sealed, aren't you? Yep. It smells like baby oil. Just gonna put a little bit. Oh yeah, she is milky. That's real milky. I feel like I'm putting too much. I feel like that's too much.
Just gonna rub this. Oh, it's cold. Oh, we're just gonna rub this across the face.
I put too much there, and it looks like. Let's not talk about it. So you know what? I'm kind of enjoying this one. Oh, she's soothing. She's milky. I'm liking the milk. I am. And I don't usually like milk. I'm also lactose intolerant, but I like this milk. I don't usually use a cotton pad when I put on toner. For me, toner is supposed to be your first layer of moisture.
Yeah, this is nice. I mean, it does make me smell like a baby prostitute. Still feels really nice. I'm enjoying it.
It almost feels like a serum because it's a little thick, you know? She a little thickums.
So after my toner, I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum. All you really need to do is apply a single pump. I'm actually gonna go crazy today and do 2.
All right, next we've got the vitamin C serum. I love vitamin C serums. They're one of my staples in my skincare routine, so this better be good, Kylie.
Kylie says she only uses 1 pump regularly,
but today we're gonna use 2 because we're crazy.
It's for every day. Right when you put it on, it immediately like soaks into your skin. That's what I love about this one. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it really helps brighten your complexion. So.
Why does it smell like a ham sandwich?
Huh. I definitely smell the vitamin C in there, but I swear to God, it smells like a ham sandwich. It's making me hungry. Now I want a sandwich for lunch. Can someone grab me a sandwich for lunch?
Ham and rye, thank you.
Then after that, I will use my face moisturizer. I love my face moisturizer because it's not, I don't really like super thin moisturizers. I like to feel lathered and delicious and moisturized.
Kylie, I'm noticing that you keep saying that you want to feel delicious, and one of your products smells like a ham sandwich. I'm sensing a theme. Anyways, now we're gonna use the face moisturizer.
So this moisturizer is my base for my makeup right now. This makes my makeup look flawless every single time. I'm just gonna pump. I'm gonna do like 2.5 squirts.
Kylie Jenner put 2.5 squirts of moisturizer on her hand, so I'm gonna put 2.5 squirts of moisturizer on my hand. And apparently she uses this instead of primer. That feels like a lot, Kylie.
There's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients in here. I learned strong fragrances can be kind of overwhelming, and also when it comes to your face, I feel like you just want to feel clean and like you're not putting fragrance on your face. So that was kind of important to me to keep everything super light and clean. Your face just looks naturally hydrated. I love putting this on just to leave the house when I'm wearing no makeup. It is the perfect base for my makeup, you guys. This has changed my life.
This one doesn't really smell like anything. Honestly, this just feels like a regular face moisturizer to me. Nothing special about it. I definitely have moisturizers that make me feel more delicious than this, Kylie. I don't don't even feel like a snack, let alone the 5-course meal that I truly am.
Okay, so now, last, definitely not least, my eye cream. My sisters taught me at a really young age to wear eye cream. I feel like you could start as early as you want.
Yeah, you're never too young for eye cream. So what if you're 8 years old? Come on, kid, get your eye cream.
I designed this with a tip so you never actually have to use your fingers.
So it does have this very easy applicator tip. Oh my god, it's yellow. I was not expecting that. Oh my god, it's a lot. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen.
You could definitely cover up a late night, partying, or even if you just stayed up late and haven't gotten a lot of sleep. This is a quick fix.
So apparently this is supposed to cover up my late nights of partying, but Kylie, I'm black. So it just looks like I'm putting yellow stuff on my face, because that's exactly what's happening. Oh goodness gracious, oh lordy. What have I gotten myself into with this one, kids? Kylie, I'm too black for this, please. Kylie! Okay, let me take some of this off because that's gonna be ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna blend in the rest with my fingers. Okay, I got it. Once it's actually in my skin, it's fine. And it does have a slight brightening effect, which I'm enjoying. To cover up all my late nights of partying and drinking, you know, doing the shots. Yeah, I go to bed at 11.
And voila. So that is my whole routine. I have been creating this for a year. This is my skincare routine, and I'm so excited for you guys to have it.
Okay, so out of these products, which ones do I actually recommend? For me, the ones that I would actually use again are, first of all, the toner. I thought the toner was great. It felt really good. It looked a little questionable on my face. Just ignore that. She's milky, that's all I gotta say. But it's actually a really moisturizing toner, and I really enjoyed the way it made my face feel, so I would actually definitely use this again. The other thing that I would use again is the eye cream. The eye cream was actually very moisturizing, and I did enjoy the brightening effect, although it was a little scary at first, Kylie. Yeah, me in the first half, not gonna lie. I'd also put the vitamin C serum in like a maybe category. I tend to enjoy vitamin C serums that are more clear and liquidy, like this one from Dear Clears, for example. Comparing these two, I looked it up online and they're about the same price, but this one is 35 milliliters, which is 1.18 fluid ounces. And this one is 20 milliliters, which is 0.7 fluid ounces. So you're getting more serum from this one. The cleanser and the moisturizer were just kind of like, eh. There was nothing special about them. They weren't bad, but they weren't great. And for the scrub, you don't need a physical exfoliator. Just use the chemical one, for the love of God, please. Does it make your face feel softer? Yes, but at what cost? As a side note, Kylie recently sent me her hyaluronic acid serum. That one was a new launch, so they sent it to me, and it's actually really nice. So I'd recommend that too. I feel like Kylie Skin as a brand has improved over the years because I do hear good things about some of their newer products, especially the SPF. So I kind of want to try that as well. But for now, this concludes my review on Kylie Skin. Let me know what you guys think of Kylie Skin down in the comments below. I know it's going to be absolutely crazy. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. But I know you're going to do it anyway, so try not to fight too much, please, for the love of God. It's just skincare. No one's dying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these babies. And don't forget that I love ya so much.